Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Can anybody tell me which topic we are learning in general awareness? Yes, very good. We are learning the topic of homes of animals. Different animals live in different kind of homes. So now we will see a video related to the same.
Hey kids, do you want to know where animals live and what are their homes called? Dog, kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Cat, basket. A cat lives in a basket. Birds. Nest. Birds live in a nest. Ants. Anthill. Ants live in an anthill. Crocodile. Pond. A crocodile lives in a pond. Bees. Beehive. Bees live in a beehive. Horse. Stable. A horse lives in a stable. Owl. Tree. An owl lives in a tree. Pig. Pigsty. A pig lives in a pigsty. Elephant. Jungle. An elephant lives in a jungle. Fish. Water. A fish lives in water. Lion. Den. A lion lives in a den. Mouse. Hole. A mouse lives in a hole. Monkey. Tree. A monkey lives in a tree. Frog. Pond. A frog lives in a pond. Squirrel. Tree. A squirrel lives in a tree. Rabbit. Burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Sheep. Pen. Sheep live in a pen. Duck. Pond. Ducks live in a pond. Spider. Web. A spider lives in a web.
Kids, did you enjoy watching the video? Now let us do the worksheet which I showed you yesterday. Now kids, let's solve the worksheet. So we will ask this bird, okay, where does it live? So sing along with me. Dear sparrow, where do you live? I live in a nest, joyful and happy. So now let us make a path and help bird reach its home safely. Chalo, we are making a path. Very good. Now we will ask the dog. Dear dog, where do you live? I live in a kennel, joyful and happy. So we will make a path so that dog can also reach to its home safely. Now we are having a fish. Dear fish, where do you live? I live in water, joyful and happy. So now let us take the fish to water. Yes. Now we are having tiger. Dear tiger, where do you live? I live in a cave, joyful and happy. So let us make a path for tiger to reach its home, and that is cave. Now we are having the insect. Which insect it is? It is a spider. So let us ask the spider. Dear spider, where do you live? I live in a web, joyful and happy. So let us make the path for web so it can reach its home safely. Very good. Now, which animal is this? Monkey. Let us ask monkey, where does he live? Dear monkey, where do you live? I live on a tree, joyful and happy. Let us make a path for monkey so it can reach its home safely. Very good. Hope you all have understood the worksheet. Very good. Thank you everybody. So kids, you can revise the topic of homes of animals by viewing the videos again and again. Till next time, bye kids. Take care.